So I thought it would be a cool little series to share more people's success stories and how, from analyzing their content and what they put out online, or what I can research, what it seems like they did to achieve their success. So that way I learn from them, but you also learn from them.
But the law of attraction is basically all based around the idea that if you believe in something enough, the universe will deliver it to you. Sounds kind of weird, but honestly, it's real.
Amber Scholl is a massive, amazing, beautiful YouTuber on this platform with over 3 million subscribers. She's like 3.3 million right now. And she has manifested incredible things into her life. Every single year for the past 4 or 5 years on her channel, she has done a dream board or a vision board video. And that is actually how I found her channel. And I've always noticed just how great her vision boards are. And then when you come back the next year and you see the next vision board, how many things on her vision board from the year before have come true. So I thought it would be fun to share what I have noticed from watching her videos. I watched all of her dream board videos again today to try and figure out what I think she does and what I think to avoid, and how I think you can, work to mimic those same results, and how I hopefully can mimic those same results. Fun fact, I've actually met Amber Scholl about 3 times now. I have ran into her at different events, and she is so nice in person. Okay, not the point. So today we are focusing on vision boards or dream boards. Amber Scholl likes to call hers a dream board. I always call mine a vision board. Either thing works. Amber is not afraid to dream big. The goals that she puts on her vision board are big goals. They're not thinking small, she thinks big. Moving on, I noticed that Amber Scholl does not put other people's faces or bodies on her vision board as in what she wants to look like or who she wants to be. She's very specific, like with this photo right here, how I want 500,000 YouTube subscribers. She puts her own name on the photos. She puts her own photo on the images she prints out. She's not just taking a photo of anyone who has 500,000 subscribers or 3 million like she had on hers and putting it on her board. Don't put other people's faces on your board as in I want to look like her. If you are always obsessing or focusing on wanting to look like someone else, then you're not focused on yourself, so yourself isn't gonna grow. Amber also puts a quote on her board to build a theme around for her year, and so for this year I put build it well and they will come. I think for so long I was so focused on trying to bring people into my life, into my career, and grow my audience that I wasn't actually focused on the content I was putting out. I wasn't focusing on if my words impacted someone for the better, if I was providing value, if I was doing something good for the world, if I was making a difference. So instead of just focusing on growing my audience this year, like I do have one about growing my audience, but instead of that being my main focus as growth, instead I want to focus on building my platforms well, and then the people that are supposed to find my content will. She is also a very high vibrational person. You can kind of tell that just from watching her videos. And by high vibrational, I mean she has amazing energy. She is pretty happy. She's pretty grateful, very kind, very joyous in her life. Now, that is not to say she doesn't have bad days. We all have bad days. When you ask the world to help you grow, sometimes to grow a flower, you've got to bring out some rain. But you want to still try to just be as high vibrational as possible as many days as you can, because you deserve to live a happy life. And the way you do that is you stop making happiness a contingency. You stop saying, I'll be happy when everything goes my way. I'll be happy when I achieve all of my goals. Because when you do that, you're never actually going to achieve true happiness, because every time you achieve one of these goals, you're gonna have a new one. So if you're always waiting to achieve a goal for happiness, when will it be enough? Instead, it has to be, I am happy with the life I have now. I love where I'm at. I'm grateful for where I'm at. I focus on the good in my life right now. I make the most of my situation, but I also go out and achieve my goals and work on my goals. But another thing is she's also very grateful. At the end of all of her videos, she talks about how grateful she is for her life. I think if you can wake up every single day and just think of 3 things that you're grateful for, you will notice a big difference in your life.
Never give up on your dreams, because it's never too late.
When we're ungrateful for what we already have, how are we gonna be grateful when we achieve the big things? If you can't enjoy a small cup of coffee, what makes you think you're gonna enjoy a big, nice Lamborghini? Like, you've got to be able to enjoy the things you have now, the everyday moments, and then you're also gonna be grateful when you have those other things in your life as well. So gratitude is very much so key. I think it actually might be the biggest key. So here is my vision board, and I will let you know everything I have on it. So 500,000 YouTube subscribers, 100,000 Instagram followers, and verified, working with Google. Exploring more of California. We realized we haven't seen like any of California, and that's crazy. Getting paid to travel, traveling back to Europe, being debt-free, exploring more with my fashion, a successful online course launch, which might be about manifesting or maybe something else. I'm figuring that out. Meditating more and just being more in tune with my spiritual self, and also making $20,000 a month on YouTube. So that's where I'm at with my vision board right now. I may still go back and add a few more goals, bigger goals, or maybe I will focus on these first, because some of these we still can't even do with COVID, like traveling to Europe or getting paid to travel is probably gonna be a little while too. So maybe I will focus on some of these that I can focus on now, and then in a few months I can reevaluate and add more, and maybe do a part 2 where I let you know what I achieved so far, what success I have seen, and then maybe adding more goals. And the last must of manifesting your goals using a dream board that I heard straight from Amber Scholl, and I think everyone who really believes in the law of attraction or just in general will tell you, go out and take it. Work for it. You cannot just sit on your butt and hope it comes for you. And I don't mean that in a rude way, but I say it because I want you to achieve these goals. I want you to achieve your dreams, but you have to go out and work for it.
Here's the real secret behind the secret. The mood board does not work unless you do.
Thank you to Amber, even though she has no idea that I'm doing this, for letting me use you as my first case study. If she was to see this, I think she's awesome. One of my favorite YouTubers. But I love you all so, so, so much, and do not be afraid to go out there and take those dreams for yourself. You deserve them. You are so worthy, and you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your goals and believe that you are worthy of them, and then go out and take it. I love you so much, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.